Thank you for buying the camera from us. So I'm going to use this video guide to show you how to connect the camera, this smart intelligent PTZ camera that you just bought. So to power on the camera, so you can use either any charger that can charge a phone, that is USB charger, this cord that is USB charger, so you can use it. Then this is the adapter that came with the camera, so you can connect it to any charger. If you have constant power supply, so you can connect it. But for buying from us, we give you this particular power bank. So with the help of this power bank, you can power the camera without using this one. So if you to connect the camera, you just connect this particular cable. Just connect it to the camera like this. You see the camera makes some sound that is connected. You see it's rotating. So then once it's connected to the power source, you come to your Play Store and download this app, HDIoT camera. HDIoT camera. You can see it. HDIoT camera. So I already download it on my phone. So this is it on my phone. So this is it, HDIoT. So you just click on open. Once you open it or install it, you see while using, you select it. While using the app, you select it. While using the app, allow, and that's all. So then allow again. So then you now come to your phone Wi-Fi. You turn on your phone Wi-Fi. So once you turn on your phone Wi-Fi, this is it. I've turned on my own. Then this is the camera, PTZ532371FDCEFK, different serial number. So once you connect to it, you try connected, no internet. So for the camera to work effectively on your phone, you come to your data, you turn off your data. If you don't turn off your data, the camera will not connect. It will not install your phone. You have to turn it off. Once you turn it off, you come back to the application. You see it's automatically added. Then if you have an external Wi-Fi, you click on OK to connect to external Wi-Fi. That is the major reason why it's bringing this option. So since you are not connecting to external Wi-Fi, you just click on cancel. So click on cancel. So to play the camera, you click on this play button here. You click on it. So the camera is already connected. So this is the camera. So this button, with the help of this button, you'll be able to rotate the camera to any angle you want. So that's how to connect the camera to your phone. So after connecting to your phone, you can install the camera anywhere in your house. So you screw this one to the surface that you want to put the camera. So after scrolling it, then you can do like this. It's either you mount like this so that it can face down. It's either you do it like this so that it can face sideways, or you stand like this if you want to put it as to make it stand as well. So those are the three positions you can connect the camera or install the camera. It's either like this, or like this. So with that, you'll be able to monitor with your phone. So within 10-meter range, if you are using only your phone Wi-Fi. If you connect it to external Wi-Fi, you'll be able to monitor from a very long distance, no matter the distance, because the camera will require data for it to be able to connect to your phone anywhere you are. And what can give the camera data is either your if you have hotspot at home, a router at home, or MiFi. So with that, you'll be able to connect the camera to that data enabled devices, so that you'll be able to monitor from any distances without any barrier. So thank you. So if you have any other questions, you can feel free to ask us any question. Thank you.